Hey everyone, welcome back to the Tenorshare channel. So, you just updated to iOS 26, and suddenly, you realize you can't remember your lock screen password. Your iPhone is now disabled, and you're completely locked out. Don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through 3 reliable ways to unlock your iPhone running iOS 26. Quick notice, all these methods will erase your iPhone's data. So, if you've got a recent backup, you'll be able to restore it after unlocking. Method 1. Use the Forgot Passcode option on iPhone. With iOS 26, Apple added a built-in Forgot Passcode option. On the lock screen, after multiple failed attempts, you'll see iPhone Unavailable. At the bottom right corner, tap Forgot Passcode. Enter your Apple ID and password linked to the device. Then follow the steps to erase and reset your iPhone. That's it. Now you can set up your iPhone again. If you don't see the Forgot Passcode option, you'll need to try Method 2. Method 2. Unlock with iTunes or Finder. If you don't remember the password, you can also reset your iPhone using iTunes or Finder. First, connect your iPhone to your computer. Put it into recovery mode. Press and quickly release volume up, then volume down. Then hold the side button until you see the recovery mode screen. On iTunes or Finder, choose Restore iPhone. This will wipe the device and remove the lock screen password. Method 3. Unlock iOS 26 lock screen with 4U key. If the first 2 methods don't work for you, Tenorshare 4U key is the easiest way to unlock your iPhone. Here's how. Download and launch 4U key on your computer. Connect your locked iPhone with a USB cable. Choose Unlock iOS screen. Click Start. Follow the on-screen instructions to put your iPhone into recovery mode. Once in recovery mode, 4U key will download the latest iOS firmware. After the firmware is downloaded, click Start to remove. This will start removing your iPhone lock screen password. Within a few minutes, your iPhone will be unlocked, and you can set it up as new or restore from backup. So that's how you can easily unlock your iOS 26 iPhone if you forgot your lock screen password. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more iOS tips and fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.